Thinking about getting a Brazilian waxed? Before you book that appointment, there are a few things you need to know. From painful mistakes to smooth success, these do's and don'ts can make all the difference. Let's break it down so your next wax is stress-free and flawless. A Brazilian wax removes all hair from the front, back, and everything in between. It's more thorough than a bikini wax and offers longer-lasting smoothness. But it's not just about beauty. It's also about hygiene and confidence. Brazilian waxing leaves the skin smoother for weeks compared to shaving. It can also reduce the chances of ingrown hairs when done correctly. Plus, many people say it makes them feel cleaner and more confident. Do exfoliate the area gently a day before to remove dead skin. Do trim your hair if it's too long. About a quarter inch is ideal. Do wear loose, breathable clothing to your appointment. Do consider taking a mild pain reliever about 30 minutes before, if you're sensitive to pain. Don't tan or sunbathe the day before, your skin will be more sensitive. Don't apply oils, lotions, or perfumes to the waxing area. Don't schedule your wax during your period if you can avoid it. Your skin is more sensitive then. Don't consume caffeine or alcohol right before. This can tighten your pores. Do talk to your esthetician. Communication is key. Do focus on breathing deeply to stay calm. Do ask for a break if you need one. It's perfectly okay. Don't stay silent if something doesn't feel right. Speak up. Don't tense up. Relaxing your muscles helps reduce pain. Don't rush the process. Good waxing takes time. Do apply aloe vera or a cooling gel to soothe the skin. Do avoid workouts, swimming pools, or hot baths for 24 hours. Don't touch the waxed area too much. Let it heal. Don't wear tight underwear. Go with soft, breathable cotton. Getting a Brazilian wax doesn't have to be painful or scary. Just prepare ahead, stay relaxed, and follow proper aftercare. When done right, it's quick, clean, and totally worth it. If you found this video helpful, give it a like. Subscribe to MTH Health for more self-care and wellness tips every week. And drop a comment below. What's your top tip or question about waxing?